Hi, and today I want to cover topic of parameterization of types or generics. Okay, let's make variable d and mark it like array of strings. And as you can see, I put primitive type strings and then just squared brackets. Yeah. Also, we can make array and put angle brackets and put inside string. Yeah. So it's the same data type. Yeah, array strings, string of strings we can make by the way of squared brackets or angle brackets like generic call. But what is this generic means? Yeah, if I gonna to use click, I can see what's inside of our interface array. Yeah, and as you can see, we have parameter t. It's a real parameter that put inside a lots of other values. Yeah, as you can see, value here and find index and find with predicate, fill, copy this. Yeah, as you can see, it's full realization of our array data types. Yeah, but instead of types, we have this kind of signature t. Yeah, like type like parameter. So we can use it in our code too. Like example, our basic user. Let's make a new parameter and call it admin. Yeah, like capital A. So, and put inside is admin our capital A. Right now, as you can see, user required additional parameter. Let's put inside boolean. Yeah, and we mark our basic user should consist with the same structure, and instead of a it should be boolean. Yeah, it's like kinda parameter that go instead of our capital A symbol right over here. Okay, and I should put inside basic user boolean too, but let's imagine that we have different kind of types. In case of some kind of circumstances, like example, backend side have no strict, API scheme, and we have parameter number in some cases. Okay, and let's put isAdmin1 here. We can mark it as default boolean value. Yeah, just put equality sign and then just put a type that we wanted to use. Okay, and right now I can completely remove here our type and everything works fine as we expected. But in case when I just throw away generic here, as you can see, isAdmin type number is not assignable to type boolean. I need to put here number, yeah, because without our generic it wouldn't work at all. Okay. Also, generics could be inside functions. And let's, like example, make an array or users array, yeah, and mark it like basic user array, yeah. Then just let's put inside several user, yeah, user. Okay. Let's make a function that could, take any array and then just, return a result. And our result will be first item of our array. Okay, let's make a function that we call first user. Okay. And like parameter, we have users array. Yep. Okay, let's return users array first item, just with index 0. Yeah. Okay, how can we mark it? Yeah. Let's just mark it user array like array, and it should return just an item basic user. Okay, but in case when we have not only users array and any other array, it should be the same function. Yeah, it's still the same function. We have universal functions that could, take a first item from any array. Okay, let's make it like universal style, get first. And put inside generic that we going to mark like type. Yeah. Okay, and let's rename this variable like array and put inside type, type array, and return back just a type, yeah, like single item inside this kind of array. Right now we can call get first, put inside, basic user, and then just users array inside our function. And if everything works fine, we just could get first user from this kind of array. And we can make universal functions, yeah, with different kind of signature, just using the parameters. So it's a very useful feature. And during React sessions, we always will be faced with cases that consist of generics, like example parameterization of some kind of components or functional component signature using generics. Yeah. Okay, see you on the next lessons. Bye.